Let us see. Represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on number line. 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 are rational numbers. How to represent these rational numbers on the number line? Let us see. First, I am drawing a number line there. On this number line, middle O I am considering. This is indicating 0. And here, and at certain distance I am taking it as 1. And certain distance I am taking it as 2. Now, in between, the space between 0 and 1, I am dividing into 3 equal parts. Here 3 is there. 3 equal parts. 1, 2. See, from here to here 1 part. This is second part. This is third part. 3 parts. The same manner, 1 and 2 also I am dividing into 3 equal parts. Now, each part, 0 from here to this part. This is 1 by 3. 3 parts we divided. Now, each part will indicate 1 by 3. This is from here to here. This is 2 by 3. 1 can be written as 3 by 3 also. Right? Now, next one will become 4 by 3. And the next one will become 5 by 3. Where the place of 5 by 3 is here. Name this point it as P. So, OP equal to 5 by 3 we can say. That is, representation of this one is P equal to near P. P represents 5 by 3. Clear? In the same manner, towards the left hand side, name this one as minus 1 and this is minus 2. Now here also minus 5 by 3 they are asking. So divide the space between 0 and minus 1 into 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. The same manner, minus 1 and minus 2, the space we are dividing into 3 equal parts. Each part name this one as minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. Minus 4 by 3 and this represents minus 5 by 3. Name this one as Q, that is Q represents minus 5 by 3. In this way, we can represent any rational number on the number line. Clear? Thank you.